TV. Tell our friends to gather around and learn something new. Woo!
Hey friends, unfortunately we lost all of our audio due to a camera incident while we were on our trip. So this video is going to be a voiceover. I will let you guys know exactly what we're doing, but it's really fun. We had tons of fun down in Florida and we hope you guys enjoy. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so we have two activities for you guys today. The first one being our sand volcano. I hope you guys are ready for some awesome beach explosion. This one was tons of fun. This was King-Nio's favorite. With using just 3 ingredients, we were able to make massive explosions right here on the beach. Alright, King-Nio, so first we're gonna pack our sand to make our volcano shape. You want to pack a lot of sand, make it as big as you want it. Next, we're gonna put the hole in. This is where our baking soda is gonna go. Yep. All right, and then we're gonna choose our color. Ooh, I think you're gonna do blue. All right, as many drops as you want. Good job. All right, next.
Put the vinegar in there. What do you think is gonna happen? Whoa! We're gonna have an explosion. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Gonna do the explosion.
It exploded!
Well, let me just try to do it a little bit. Whoa, look at this here.
High five. That was good. That was good.
King-Nio, are you ready for activity 2? What are we gonna do?
You better dive up there.
So for this activity, King-Nio wanted to bring back some special souvenirs for his friends right here on King-Nio's TV. So we're gonna dye some sand. First, you get your little baggie, put a few scoops of sand in there, and as many drops as you want. Remember, the more drops, the more colorful it is. Oh, hi there, friend. Hey, friends, look, we made green sand. That was so much fun, King-Nio. Let's make more colors. Shake, shake, shake. Ooh, walla, walla. Shake, shake, shake. Ooh, walla, walla, walla. Shake, shake, shake.
Ooh, walla, walla. Shake, shake, shake.
We're having so much fun. We've made all of our favorite colors. What's your favorite color, friend? Comment below and let us know. King-Nio had so much fun making the volcanoes in our first activity. He wanted to do one more before we left the beach. So we made an even bigger, more massive explosion!